Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the iRobot mobile app settings for your iRobot Roomba 671. If you're interested in this robot vacuum cleaner or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, let's go ahead, let's open up the iRobot app, and then we can pick and choose our device. So it's the 671. Once you have it all set up and ready to go, this will be the screen that you'll look at. I find it really interesting that the image technically doesn't match this particular vacuum cleaner. It follows a similar design, but it's not fully the same. Anyways, kind of a moot point, but also kind of silly. I think that has to do with this being the Amazon version of the 675, so maybe that's why the image is a little bit different there, even though that's not what the 675 looks like either. The 675 looks exactly like the 671. But anyways, right below that image, we have our battery indicator and our current status. It's paused. We can press the play button to start cleaning again, or we can send it home. Further down, we have our favorites section here. So for favorites, you can basically just set a cleaning time or have it vacuum everywhere. You can name it and then set a time limit right here when it will return home. So if you want to set up a favorite, 30-minute clean, 45-minute clean, you can do that right there. Then going back out, you'll notice we have our scheduling option. So we can set a schedule right here. So pick and choose which day of the week, and if you want it to clean at a certain time, you can set that up right there. Which days of the week do you want to repeat? Choose your time. You're all set and ready to go. And you can add a new schedule at the bottom. We also have a do not disturb tab, so you can enable that for all of your robots in your home if you want. Right below our schedule, we have our cleaning history. So we have a lifetime view of how many jobs we've run, how long it's run and cleaned, and our number of dirt events. Let's look at our first clean here. 9 dirt events, canceled, the duration, how it was started, app or button. Pretty cool breakdown right there. And then below history, we have our messages. We're all caught up. So if we have any device messages, they'll show up right there. Then we have product health. This hasn't populated yet, but basically it'll walk you through different parts when it's time to conduct maintenance, things like that. Then we have our product settings right here. We can learn more about our Roomba. We have a lot of access to our Wi-Fi settings and features, things like that that'll be able to be controlled or changed within this section. We have our language options. We also have the ability to reboot the Roomba, which is nice. You can do that right there from your phone. If you select the About section, this is where we can view all of our relevant product information. And what's key here is at the very bottom, we can remove the device from our account. So if for some reason you're transferring this to somebody else, that's where you're going to be able to access that information right there in the About section. Below our product settings, we have our owner's guide if you need any help with your user guide and manual. We also have a help section you can use to find additional information and troubleshooting. And lastly, there's iRobot Beta. So if there's any beta features for this vacuum, you can find them there. Typically, we don't see those on the 600 series that I'm aware of, but for like the I or the J series, you may be lucky enough to have some beta features that you can enable. But there you go. That's the app settings on the iRobot Roomba 671. Very simple, straightforward, easy to navigate, but it's also very basic. It's basically view your cleaning history, set up a schedule, start a clean, stop a clean, or send it home.